Hello everyone. Today we present to you our new AltTester library developed for Robot Framework. Before we begin, you will need to have downloaded and installed the AltTester Desktop, which will help us make the connection between tests and the Unity application. You'll also need to instrument your Unity app with AltTester Unity SDK 2.1. To learn how to instrument your Unity game or app with AltTester, check out our tutorial on this subject at the link in the description. Next, make sure you have installed Robot Framework. To start, we open AltTester Desktop and the instrumented application or game we will be working on. As you can see, in our case, we are using 𝘆𝗵𝗂𝗋𝗃, a free sample game that is available in Unity Asset Store. Starting with our most recent release, AltTester 2.1, we now have the option in AltTester Desktop to select which application should be investigated. In our test, we go to the Store page, press the Buy button, and check that the item number has increased by 1. In order to do this, we create a new project with a robot class under it, which can store our tests. In the Settings area, we import our library, the AltTester Library, and create a setup and a teardown for our tests. During setup, we need to include the initialization of the alt driver with the application name parameter. For teardown, the alt driver needs to be stopped. The test cases section stores all the tests. Every test should have a specific and relevant name. First action would be to load the scene. You can find all the scene names in AltTester Desktop under the Manage Scenes button. We are looking for the Store button with the keyword 𝗵𝗿𝗶𝗹𝗄. The object name can be found in AltTester Desktop after selecting it from the hierarchy. After finding the Store button, we can click it. In order to find the item number, we look for an object that stored this number and use the keyword 𝗵𝗿𝗄𝗋 to get it. The object name can be found in AltTester Desktop, just as before. We can get the item number by using the keyword getText applied on the previous Unity object, or the keyword getComponentProperty on the same Unity object with the component Unity Engine UI text, Assembly Unity Engine UI, and Property text. After getting the item number, we are looking for the Buy button. Once we find the button, we click it. In order to make the comparison, the new item number is obtained in the same way as the initial one. And now we calculate the expected value for the item by adding 1 to the initial number. The assertion is made between the expected value and the latest item number shown. Tests can be run by using Command Robot or by selecting the Run option available above every test. After finishing the tests, the robot will generate 3 files. The report file can be opened in the browser. For every test, it will highlight the status, the keywords which are used, as well as a potential error that might have occurred during the test. Thank you for watching.